Hi everyone, it's Miss Julia, your literacy manager, and I'm here with another really fun activity that you can use with your children this summer. All you need is sidewalk chalk. That's it, nothing else, just sidewalk chalk. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw shapes on the driveway, kind of like what I have done over here. And then you're just gonna shout out names of shapes and have your kiddos jump inside them. So it's about locating the shapes and understanding their names, learning shape names, and you can even do colors too. So if you wanna say blue, then they have to jump in whatever shape is blue. So let's get started. We're gonna have a little fun with some special friends that I have with me today, and we will show you how to do this game. You ready? Here we go. Okay friends, here's how it goes. When I call out a shape, I want you to jump into that square or that rectangle or the triangle or the circle. You ready? Here we go. Blue rectangle. Good job. Let's try it again. You ready? All right, it's your turn, guys. You need to go to the yellow triangle. Excellent job. Now, Billy Bunny, you need to hop over to the orange circle. You ready? And go. Great job. Well, I hope your kiddos have as much fun as my special friends had today playing the shape game. All you need is some sidewalk chalk. Draw the shapes on the sidewalk or the driveway. You yell out the names of the shapes and the colors, and you can even individualize it if you have more than one child and have them have specific children hop in specific shapes. So you're practicing shape names, you're practicing color identification, and you're also helping strengthen gross motor if you're having them hop up and down to get to each one. I hope you'll try this at home, and if you do, please let us know. Until next time, everybody, see you later.